Tragedy struck in Iran on Sunday as a Bell 212 helicopter carrying the nation's president and foreign minister crashed in mountainous terrain, killing both the leaders. Iranian state media reports that thick mountain fog contributed to the fatal accident. The Bell 212 helicopter, developed by Bell Helicopter, now Bell Textron, was originally designed for the Canadian military in the late 1960s. Introduced in 1971, it quickly became a staple for both the US and Canadian armed forces, serving various roles including personnel transport, firefighting, cargo ferrying, and even as an armed platform. After the acquisition of the Bell 212 helicopter in 1970s, Iran's government operated a fleet of these helicopters, including an Italian-built naval version, the Augusta Bell AB 212. Sunday's crash raises questions about the age and maintenance of the helicopter. Some experts suggest it may have been 40 to 50 years old, with links to Iran's Islamic Republic Red Crescent Society. Historical data reveals a troubling record of incidents involving the Bell 212. The most recent fatal crash occurred in September 2023 off the coast of United Arab Emirates. In Iran, a 2018 crash claimed 4 lives, and a 2015 incident near Kashan resulted in 3 fatalities. Iran's aviation sector has faced significant challenges since the 1979 revolution, relying on smuggled parts and reverse engineering to maintain its fleets. Despite this, analysts commend Iran's technical competence in aviation. As the nation mourns its loss, questions loom over the investigation process. Given the political sensitivity, experts believe an independent probe is unlikely. Past incidents like the downing of a Ukrainian airliner in 2020 saw limited international involvement. This tragic event underscores the complexities and risks associated with aging aviation fleets and geopolitical isolation.